Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to add an advanced image lightbox to your product gallery. This feature lets visitors view your images and videos in larger or full screen mode, creating a more immersive experience that can help boost conversions. Let's get started. First, go to the Woo Gallery Global Settings. Here, you'll see the Lightbox tab. Open it. From here, you can easily enable or disable the Lightbox feature. You can choose from 5 different positions for the Lightbox icon, allowing you to place it exactly where it looks best and works smoothly for your users. You can also choose from over 13 icon styles, giving you the flexibility to match the Lightbox with your website's design and branding perfectly. You can customize the Lightbox icons by adjusting their size, color, and background, helping you create a clean and consistent look. Enhance your product gallery with 5 unique Lightbox sliding effects. You can also customize the background color of your Lightbox overlay. In addition, you can also enable full screen view and a download button in the Lightbox to improve the overall user experience. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our other tutorials for more helpful tips.